How would you like to earn $500 to $1,000 a week or even daily just by listening to what I have to say? Hello, in just a minute, I'm going to introduce you to something that's pretty exciting. And then if you like what you see, which I know you're going to love, you're going to be joining with my business partner, Kristy Bushouse. Okay, we're on top of the website right now. Making $500 to $1,000 sales has never been easier than now. You're going to watch this exciting video. It's only 3 minutes, 46 seconds. Please make sure you watch the entire video before you ask questions. Most of the questions can be resolved by watching this video. Also, you can scroll down. You'll see there's all kinds of opportunities. There's an exciting product. You're going to see, of course, the money that's been received, $1,000, $500, okay, by other members. Okay, you'll see the course at level 1, everything you're going to get, YouTube Mastery course, effective Facebook marketing, business blueprint, warrior business mindset, TikTok mastery. That's just in level 1. Level 2, you got some exciting stuff, affiliate marketing gains, A1, which is, AI Masterclass 101. AI is very exciting. I have a large YouTube channel that I use AI on, if I can say the word AI on, and I have over 100,000 subscribers on that channel alone. So, also, mastering CGT or GPT 101, that is a cool way to learn how to use that software. This software answers a lot of questions, does a lot of amazing things. Okay, the Zoom Marketing Masterclass, and of course, Instagram Marketing 101. Going back to Mastering Chat GPT, you're not going to get this software, but it's going to show you how to use it, okay, which is exciting. So just scroll down the website. You're going to see the 2 programs available, how to get involved, okay? You can pause it right here for a second, look right there. And I'm not going to go to the bottom of the web page here because it is mine I'm using for demonstration purposes, okay? And you will be going through Kristy Bushouse and joining with her. And of course, you will have access to me if you need help too. All right? So let's go inside the membership area, okay? You're going to see right here, I've got total income blocked out, members and so forth, just for privacy. But also, you're going to see all the links on the side here. You've got marketing links, members, leads. These are the members you get when you come on board. You'll see them coming on, and you'll see where all your members are. I'll click right here. You also see all the leads that come on board, all the people there. You have settings, okay? You also have resources, okay, which is really cool. And then, of course, you'll learn about the products right here and marketing resources. But let's look at some of the marketing links, okay? When you click here, it's going to open up a series of marketing links. The first one I like to show you is your opt-in page. This is your opt-in page. It's pretty cool, okay? There is a Are You Human capture right here. 8 plus 5, just get that mathematical equation right, your clients rather, and of course, they can jump on board, okay? Okay, here's another opt-in page. Discovered this amazing $1,000 per day. Same thing, people opt in. And when they opt in, they're going to end up going to, okay, this page of yours. You're going to get a replicatable website, which is really cool. At the bottom, we'll have your picture if you like it, your contact information. Okay, let's go back inside the membership area here. And of course, you're going to see all the information here. Let's look at the products, okay? Now, I am qualified at the $1,000 level, and so is Kristy. Okay, so you're going to see this right here. These are the products. If you expand this, you're going to see all the information on the Blueprint Mastery. Really cool, okay? Same thing with Facebook marketing, Warrior Mindset, YouTube Mastery course, TikTok. You can expand it and you get all the courses available. YouTube's my favorite because I have a really big, large YouTube channel. Okay, so you want to pay attention to that as well. Okay, level 1 is a one-time join fee of $500 to your sponsor, and then a one-time admin fee to the company of $97. And you'll pay that to Kristy Bushouse. She'll have her payment options available, whether it's Cash App, Stripe, Zelle, Venmo, accordingly. Level 2, okay, if you're coming on board that level, it's a one-time $1,000 payment to your sponsor, which will be Kristy as well. And that, of course, you can just pay her through her options available. Like her, you'll have to be able to put all your payment options, whatever you want to use, inside your account for people to pay you. And a one-time $197 admin fee to the company. So this is level 2. This is some of the products, affiliate marketing gains, AI mastering class, chat CGP. Well, there's a lot of information here. Okay. Zoom. Okay. mastering Zoom, masterclass marketing, and effective Instagram marketing here too, okay? All kinds of great stuff. You have resources here too, which is marketing resources, Infinite 500 advertising resources expand. It's going to show you print advertising provider, one of the top ones. We also have some top solo ad providers in here, targeted website traffic providers, and top SMS broadcast text message providers. Now, I'm not going to expand these. You'll need to join to see who they are. You also have a support link. You can get back to Kristy right here, and notifications from the company. The company will send you emails, and you can read them and so forth. So here's what you want to do. You want to make sure you click the link below in this video and stay excited. Make sure you jump on board. You reach out to Kristy, get any questions handled. I am her sponsor, so if she can't answer something and she doesn't know how to answer it, she'll get with me, and I'll make sure, and she'll make sure she gets back to you rather. So any bonuses available that I'm working on, currently have, reach out to her, and she'll let me know, and I will go ahead and deliver those to you. So stay excited. Click the link below. Make sure you opt in today, watch the video, and you jump on board. We'll see you on the other side.